Authorize Net CIM integration is a payment gateway solution that allows merchants to securely store customer payment information and charge their accounts automatically. CIM stands for Customer Information Manager, and it enables businesses to simplify their payment processing and improve customer satisfaction. To get started with Authorize Net CIM integration, you need to create an account with Authorize Net and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials are used to authenticate your requests to the Authorize Net server. The first step in the integration process is to set up a payment form on your website that collects customer information such as name, address, and credit card details. This information is then sent to the Authorize Net server for processing. Once the customer submits their payment information, it is stored in the Authorize Net CIM system, and a unique customer profile is created. This profile contains the customer's payment and billing information and can be used for future transactions. To charge a customer's account, you need to use the Authorize Net API to send a request to the server with the customer profile ID and the amount to be charged. The server then processes the transaction and sends a response back to your website indicating whether the transaction was successful or not. One of the key benefits of using Authorize Net CIM integration is that it allows for recurring payments and subscriptions. You can set up a recurring billing cycle, and the Authorize Net system will automatically charge the customer's account at the specified interval. Best practices for implementing Authorize Net CIM integration include using secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt sensitive customer information and validating user input to prevent errors and fraud. You should also ensure that your payment form is compliant with industry standards such as PCI DSS, and that you are storing customer information securely. In terms of practical examples, Authorize Net CIM integration can be used in a variety of scenarios, such as e-commerce websites, subscription-based services, and online invoicing systems. For instance, an online store can use Authorize Net CIM to store customer credit card information and automatically charge their accounts for recurring orders. In conclusion, Authorize Net CIM integration is a powerful payment gateway solution that allows merchants to securely store customer payment information and automate payment processing. By following the steps outlined in this guide and implementing best practices, you can simplify your payment processing and improve customer satisfaction.